بعضی تماس‌های 911 هیچ وقت توضیحی براشون داده نشده. صدایی که از پشت تلفن میاد یک اپراتور رو تا مرز وحشت میبره و چیزی که پلیس پیدا میکنه همیشه اون چیزی نیست که انتظارشو دارید. این ویدیو 3 تا از عجیب‌ترین تماس‌های واقعی 911 رو نشون میده. قبل از اینکه بریم سراغ تماس‌های تلفنی، حمایت فراموش نشه و دکمه لایک و سابسکرایب رو بزنید. تماس تلفنی اول، یک بچه که با برادرش از مدرسه داشته برمیگشته با 911 تماس میگیره و میگه که یک نفر داره اون رو تعقیب میکنه. بریم که ببینیم.
What is your emergency? Someone phoned me and my brother home from school. I guess they're not home. Have you seen this person before? No. Can you please send help? Where are you now? In the living room. I'm looking out the front window. The tall man is scaring us. Where is this guy? In front of the house. What is he doing? He's standing behind a tree. It's very tall. Help us. I'm scared. He's looking at me. He has no face. His face is gone. Calm down. Does he have a mask on? No. He's coming. He's coming. Calm down. Help is on the way. As long as he's outside and you're inside, you'll be fine. Describe him to me. He has a suit on and a tie. He's very tall. He has long arms. He's bald. I'm scared. Big brain, okay? I want you to be strong right now. It's going to be fine. I'm here with you. How's your brother doing? He's not doing anything. He's acting strange. What is he doing? He's staring at me. Is he scared? No, he's not saying anything. How old is he? 9. What is the tall man doing now? What's the matter? He's in the window, facing me. Back away from the window, get your brother, go into the restroom, and lock the door. Young lady, are you okay? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Young lady, are you okay?
به نظرتون چه اتفاقی برای اون دو تا بچه افتاد؟ حتما تو کامنت بنویسید. و اون یارو هم که توصیفی کرد دختره، به نظرتون شبیه اسلندرمن نبود؟ تماس تلفنی دوم. این تماس، یک خانومی تماس میگیره با 911 و میگه که یک مردی داره به زور وارد خونش میشه. بریم که ببینیم.
My baby. And it's come right back to the phone. What? Are you still with me? Tell him you've got the police on the phone.
I've got the police on the phone. Who are you? Why are you here?
He's in the bedroom with her.
I've got the police on the phone. I've got the police on the phone. Why are you here? Why are you here? Why?
Karen?
تماس تلفنی سوم نیازی به شهر نیست و همه چی گویاست و معلومه. بریم که اینم ببینیم.
This is the roof price of $38.77.
What's the problem, ma'am?
Oh, well, there's some guy been checking the place out.
How?
Well, he went in the back. I have an apartment in the back, and he said he was looking for a guy. And he comes to my door, and
Yes?
said he's looking for an apartment. So I live alone, and I'm an old lady. I'm kind of
Where is he now, ma'am?
I don't have no idea.
این ویدیوهایی که دیدیم فقط چند تا دونه از هزاران ویدیوهایی بود که وجود دارد. اگر از این سبک ویدیو خوشتون میاد تو کامنت ها برام بنویسید. تا ویدیوی بعد، خداحافظ.